to make video stumble, guys. So let's play this game. Look like I have a bad internet, but yeah, just try. I already played it for 9 times. What? No, I don't have the. No, bro, I have to download the S cassette. So, okay, this is very long. Okay, guys, this is. I don't use some. Yeah, Stumble Guys update to Mr. Beast Fair. So, let's take my row. This name, so I'm gonna change it. Maybe we can see the information here. Okay, let's spin. I'm very not lucky, so maybe I will get something. We almost get the Let's just play. Okay. Editing. I hope I don't get the map I ball. Already I this is bad internet. Bro, the heck still gives me the name of M-A-N-A-D. I already changed it to be king of video, right? I need to back. Yeah. Maybe I can use the shortcut. Bro, what are? Okay, maybe we can prank people. Yo, bro! See! Only pranking. Take that. Yay. That's nice. Yay! This is the third or final. We pro at this. Some. Yes. We. Okay. Wait. No! Help! Help! I can, yeah, yay. I can five. How to claim. That's it. I know how to claim. I'm waiting. This is very like. This is still cool. Help me make the most of maybe this ya guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.